Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add WhatsApp button link on Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. Adding a WhatsApp button link to your Shopify store in 2025 is straightforward. You can add it to your shop's homepage, footer, or floating on every page. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Create a WhatsApp link. Use the official WhatsApp click to chat link generator or manually create your link. Just like this. Replace your phone number with your phone number in international format. Then replace with a pre-filled message. It's optional. Step 2. Add WhatsApp button to your store. Log into your Shopify, go to online store and themes. Find your active theme and click customize. Scroll down and click on the footer section. Then, add a custom HTML or rich text block. Add the following code, just like this. Can you copy this and paste in your laptop or PC? Then, save your changes and preview the footer. Option 2. Add a floating WhatsApp button. Go to online store, tap on the themes, then actions or the 3 dots, and click edit code. Now, find the layout and open the theme.liquid file. And then, paste the following code just before the closing on the body tag. Copy paste it and save the file and refresh your store to see the floating button. Option 3. Add to the navigation menu. In Shopify admin, go to online store, then tap on navigation. Click on the menu you want to add the WhatsApp button, example, main menu or footer menu. Then click add menu and enter the name WhatsApp and the link. Paste your WhatsApp URL in any of these, footer menu or main menu. Then save the menu and check the navigation on your store. Then test the button. Visit your Shopify store and click the WhatsApp button to ensure it redirects to WhatsApp with the correct pre-filled message. Use an image or SVG icon to make the button more visually appealing. Customize the button using additional CSS in your theme file. This is optional enhancement. By following these steps, you can easily add a WhatsApp button link to your Shopify store. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.